Hello there and welcome to Linux S2O, and in this video guide I'm going to show you how you can install and set up TeamViewer in any Linux distribution. So this guide is for all kind of Linux distributions. Mostly there are Debian based and Red Hat based distribution out there, and you can install TeamViewer in those distros. So TeamViewer is a great tool for remote controlling any desktop or for sharing your desktop screen. You can also do online meetings and share files with the TeamViewer tool. So let's dive into the installation directly. So this is the TeamViewer website. You can find the link in the description. You go to this website and click on the download button, and this will show you this page here. This will automatically detect your distributions. For example, I'm using Linux, that is why it has selected Linux automatically. If you are using any other kind of distribution, for example Chrome OS, Raspberry Pi, even mobile operating systems are supported, and the standard Windows and Mac. So you can install TeamViewer on Linux, and if your distribution is Debian based or Ubuntu based, then you can download the .deb file as per your architecture, the 64-bit and 32-bit. Ubuntu doesn't come with a 32-bit variant, but other distros do come with a 32-bit variant, so you can download the deb file for that. And if you're using Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora or any other derivative of these, then you can download the .rpm file and install that accordingly. So this is Ubuntu, so I'm going with the .deb file, and I'm going to select 64-bit because this is a 64-bit system. So this is the .deb file. I can hit OK, and this will start to download. So it has downloaded already. So what you can do, you can simply click on this file. This will open up the software center, and you can simply hit the install button here, and the TeamViewer will start to install. So hit the install button. This will ask for the password. Type type your own password, and it will start to install the application in the system. And this can take some time depending upon your hardware. So this is one way of installing the TeamViewer with the .deb file, and you can also use the command line for installing the tool. For some regions, some distributions do not have a software center, and sometimes they do not even have some utility to install the package files. So what you can do, you can simply open up the folder where you have downloaded the file. So this is downloads, and this is the file that I just downloaded. I can simply open up the terminal here and execute the installation command. So to install the TeamViewer, you can use sudo apt and install, then / and the file name, that is TeamViewer. Just type few characters and hit the type key. It will auto complete the name. Hit the enter. This will ask for the password again, and I can type the password, and this will install the application. So this is saying that TeamViewer is already installed with the newer version, so you can install the TeamViewer like that as well. And you can use the similar command for Fedora and Red Hat. So this was the guide about the TeamViewer and how you can install the TeamViewer. So TeamViewer is installed in the system. Now you can simply search it. Just type TeamViewer. So this is the TeamViewer. This will ask for some kind of agreement here. Click accept, and here you go. Simply share your remote control ID and password, or you can type your partner's ID to share your desktop or control the remote desktop. And this also has added a repository in the system, so in future any update comes, then the application will automatically get updated because the repo is there. So that's all in this guide. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep enjoying Linux.